Urhobo ado is Urhobo ejobi Urhobo me igwobo na Ekpakpo mirowa me igwe. Obe mumere no na gbanu work Mokeborena have been very quiet. I've been so focused in other things. Wa kasa gwoku eke dey. Wa subscribe yi, wa like yi post to, wa share. So and when you don't subscribe, you don't like, and you don't share, you don't comment, there's no engagement, there's no way anything can come out of it. So that I will not come and beg you for food later. I need to do some other things. But that's by the way. So I was going through a WhatsApp post recently. Professor Ekpekpo, the President General of EWU, Ojevuli military incarceration. Since last year, he do okay now. Kemeno, there is all Ojevuli military detention. Why is Professor Ekpekpo still in military detention till today? Nigerian military, what is happening? After you guys arrested, in fact, you declared him wanted, and as a gentleman, he gave himself up to you. He came. Yes, that's on a good authority. I learned that he came by himself. It's not that you went man hunting for him and you captured him already on his own volition. So where after he came, or after your interrogation and everything, did you find him wanting? If you found him wanting, why did you not charge him to court? If we in Nigeria, anything happens in Nigeria, everything goes. We are now in a military democracy. So no rule of law applies in Nigeria. If we in Nigeria, that is where military effect arrest instead of the police to arrest civilian. If it is a military man, why not? Go ahead, go and do court martial for him. But this is a military man, a professor, an academician, not just an honorary academician, a highly respected, a highly influential academician at Delta State University. On Akoroma Blumere again, Delta State University. What is happening? What have you guys done? Have you guys done anything to see that this man that has got a clean record with you for more than, I think it should be more than 2 decades, if not more? Have you done anything to see to it that the man is released? ASU. What is the purpose of being part of your organization or being part of your union? If something like this, I remember them when I was at university. I used to see them. All for one for all. What is it now? One of your own has been in incarceration. But up to now, no single word has been said about him from you. So what is happening? If you're Urhobo, these things might not happen probably, of course, it hasn't happened in your kingdom. It's not one of your president general that has been arrested yet or have been detained. Detained without trial, don't forget. It is not yours yet. But in the very teti or kibo teti o kleki teti or yes, President General of Urhobo Progressive Union, Barrister Gams, Daddy Migwe, they all rule. What have you done? What have you done to see that this professor has been released? Even if he has committed the crime that they are arrested him for, let the military come out. Let them charge him. Yes, I'm not saying that whoever that committed any crime should be let go to go scot-free. No. Other than Urhobo, Egbe is the full path of the law. Take its place. Let the law be applied. But so he's just there, rotting away. You understand? He's just there rotting away. No one is saying anything about him. So how President Tinubu me wogene wolewe ejo gba mi so viji Yoruba kowe. Omnena mi wogene wolewe take ituli military we when I Subone, where Professor Ekpekpo. Down to deal Urhobo, or what if let me join book about million Urhobo, President Tinubu, this is for you. Please, I am begging you in the name of anything you hold dear. Talk to the Nigerian military to release Professor Ekpekpo. If he has done anything that warrants him to have been kept this long, let them charge him to court. So the full course of the law should take place. Not holding him perpetually incarcerated. Let him rot in their detention. Let them come out and tell the people, on Oboruru, that is why we are keeping him. And then let them also tell us if they are now the new judiciary in Nigeria, or their oversight also include the prison service in Nigeria. Let them tell us. Is it because I don't know? Are we not relevant? Haven't we done enough for this country for us to be respected as a nation? Yes, the Urhobo people. We've done enough. We've done enough for this country for us to be respected as a nation. So please, we are pleading. And our senator said, Senator Davinote, whatever you can do to see to it that Professor Ekpekpo is released, please do it. It cannot be happening to us. People that have even done what's more than this, because they haven't told us it's crime. His crime is being the President General of EU. That's just as it is. If he's done anything more than that, let them come out and say it. People have done worse things, yet they don't stay in any police custody. Talking about military custody, I'm not saying that those people who have done that, it is good. No. But this is a case of no case. If he has done anything, come out and say it. This is why we are holding him. If you say, okay, he was the one that said, go and kill them, I will keep quiet. That is it. I will keep quiet. But you have not said anything. So what are we saying here? Please, release him. It is not a crime for us to be minority group in Nigeria. And if you are saying that Nigeria is not for everybody, then let us share Nigeria and everybody go their way. So, especially this place that I am in. Sharp. I guess only a call and they will be fidgeting. Why is our own different? Why is our own different? Anybody that is working against the progress of Urhobo in this country,